A judge set a new execution date for a convicted killer that a number of state lawmakers believe may be innocent. Robert Roberson is scheduled to be put to death on October 16th after a hearing this morning in Palestine. That's in East Texas. J.D. Miles with reaction now to the judge's decision.
Robert Roberson appeared in an Anderson County courtroom to the surprise of many of those inside who were not expecting the Texas death row inmate to be transferred from a Southeast Texas prison. The 58-year-old watched his attorney make a passionate plea to a judge, asking to hold off setting a new execution date until pending appeals can be ruled on by higher courts over whether Roberson deserves a new trial.
You asked why now? I mean, there are nearly 200 people on death row in Texas. There's one pending execution date. There's no reason to be setting a date for Mr. Roberson, who is among the few who has live appeals on a very serious issue.
Roberson was convicted in 2003 of causing abuse that led to the death of his 2-year-old daughter, Nikki. During his trial, prosecutors presented evidence that his child was a victim of a now scientifically debunked medical condition called shaken baby syndrome that's no longer allowed in trials. Last fall, a number of state lawmakers, including several conservative Republicans who support the death penalty, took unprecedented legal steps to temporarily stop Roberson's execution going forward, and it worked. But Governor Abbott, Attorney General Ken Paxton, and prosecutors in the county where the murder happened took the side of those who believe Roberson is guilty and pushed for a new execution date as soon as possible. After hearing both sides, the judge ruled he was sympathetic to the argument from Roberson's attorney, but
it appears that this there is a legal basis for them setting this week.
The judge set an October 16th execution date. Roberson's attorney spoke to reporters outside the courthouse with a number of exonerated murderers standing behind her.
It's not a freak occurrence in this state. We've had 200 people in this country exonerated from death rows because they've subsequently been found innocent.
Truth is going to come out. He's going to come out on top.
While Roberson supporters plan to continue their effort to spare his life, Dallas County has spent $20,000 for an independent review of the victim's autopsy, which was conducted by the Dallas County Medical Examiner's Office. County Judge Clay Jenkins tells CBS News Texas that review is still ongoing. J.D. Miles, CBS News Texas.